In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autofill in Microsoft Edge. If you've noticed Edge automatically suggesting your address or contact details in web forms, and you'd rather type that information yourself, turning off autofill for addresses is quick and reversible. This can be great for shared or work computers, or whenever you want a bit more privacy and control over what gets filled in. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure the window is active so the menus we need are visible. Along the top right corner of the browser, you'll see the three dots icon. Click that to open the main menu. From here, you'll go into the browser's settings area, which opens in a new tab and shows a sidebar on the left. In that left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Passwords and Autofill. Depending on your version of Edge, it may appear under a profile or privacy category, but the wording will be very close. Select it to open the controls related to saved sign-ins and form data. Inside that area, choose addresses and more. This is the page where Edge manages the contact details it can save for you, like your name, street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and sometimes email. It's also where the autofill behavior for those fields is controlled. Now, find the switch next to Save and Autofill Addresses and turn it off. When this toggle is off, Edge will stop prompting to save new addresses and will stop automatically filling any saved addresses into forms. You'll still be able to type information manually whenever you need to. If you already have addresses stored, they won't be used to autofill while this setting is off. If you prefer not to keep them at all, you can review or remove them on this same page at any time. A quick note to avoid confusion. This setting applies to addresses and similar contact info. It doesn't change how passwords or payment methods behave. Those have their own toggles elsewhere in the same settings area, so you remain in full control over each type of data. That's all there is to it. By turning off Save and Autofill addresses, you've ensured Edge won't insert your contact details unless you choose to. If you ever want to bring autofill back, just revisit the same page and switch it on again. Interface labels can vary slightly between versions, but the option is always in the Settings sidebar under the section that manages passwords and autofill.